Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying accounts and basic syncing options. Open Settings, go to Photos, and turn on iCloud Photos. This tells Apple to upload and merge your library. Next, make sure every device uses the same Apple ID so items don't split between accounts. Also, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug the device in if battery is low. Uploads pause on low power. Once done, wait a few minutes for initial changes to register and continue to the next steps. Now focus on storage and connectivity because they often block syncing. Inspect iCloud storage if you are at or near 100% upload stop, so free space or buy a plan. If Wi-Fi is flaky, reset network settings or switch to another reliable network since uploads need stable throughput. You can also refresh syncing by toggling iCloud Photos off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This forces a re-evaluation of local versus cloud items. Make sure you allow time for thumbnails and full files to reupload. To finish, confirm successful syncing across endpoints. Check iCloud, Com and another device to ensure the same photos appear. If items are missing, update iOS or Mac OS and reboot because software bugs often prevent background uploads. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID on the affected device and sign back in to reinitialize iCloud services. This should be your last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: if a large upload stalls, pause and retry on a different network to rule out ISP throttling or router issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.